So we already have a full-size ColourPop eyeshadow palette in there. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today we are back with day 8 of April 2018 Box Week. Yes, we are having an 8-day streak so far. So first of all, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, my name is Drew, and Box Week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. It's the one week every single month that me and my YouTube subscribers spend 7 consecutive days together. This month we're actually spending over 7 days together, so you're catching us on day 8. Basically, we open up all my subscription boxes, we hang out, we comment back and forth, we make friends, and just like Drew Crew, it's a gigantic, fun little love fest. So you're catching us on day 8 of that. And sorry, my nose itched. So basically, if you want to be in the Just Like Drew Crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be our crew. Okay, so tonight we're opening a box that for the last couple months has been pretty good on our channel. It actually, a couple months ago, it had an $85 valued item in it. It is $15 a month. You know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the Allure Beauty Box. Allure is actually a box that is curated from Allure magazine. It started out a little bit rocky. Lately, it's been pretty stinking good, so I'm excited about that unboxing tonight. And also, I want to let you know we will be filling up more items into our stockpile giveaway. If you're like, what's stockpile giveaway? Well, something I started doing a couple months ago is I started filling up a box of goodies, basically, of items I'm getting in my subscription boxes. Some items, I just get so many items I can't use them all. Some items I just want to give away because I want to see somebody get to have some fun and excitement. So we already have a full-size ColourPop eyeshadow palette in there, among some other amazing things. If you're like, what's in the giveaway box? Well, go ahead and check out the previous videos of this box week. You can see what's been put in there so far. Also, I want to let you guys know that the last stockpile giveaway was finally claimed. Somebody did win. They did actually claim it, so you don't have to worry anymore. It has been taken. But the good news is we're almost full with this box. We'll be starting another stockpile giveaway again soon. So let's get into the actual unboxing now that I've taken up like 2 minutes of just like talking. But that kind of happens every time, so to be fair. Alrighty, this box is it said apparently there's exclusive promo codes inside of here, and every month they give you a little mini magazine. This will tell you all about the products that you got, how to use them, retail value, things like that. Alright, so the first item that I am pulling out of the top here is makeup eraser. So this is one reusable makeup removal, #1 reusable makeup removal system in the world. So it looks like this is something that you add water to and it takes off your makeup. It's like a makeup removing cloth item. I'm actually excited about that. So I'm going to keep this. I've never used anything like this before. I'll definitely let you guys know how I like that. If you're like, well, where are you going to let us know? A lot of times when I test out products, I'll let you know on Snapchat. I'm not always best with that, but that is the best opportunity if you're like, how'd you like the product? Snapchat's usually the place. And Snapchat, it's just like Drew, the same way it is spelled on YouTube. The next item that we have is Rahua Classic Shampoo for Healthy, Lustrous Hair. Rainforest Grown. So this is some kind of a cool shampoo item. I'm going to smell it to see what it smells like. And it's got a little thing on it. Dang it. Okay. Well, okay. Can't smell, I don't know, I'm leaving it on there. Alright, the next item that we have is the Rahua Classic Conditioner for Healthy, Lustrous Hair. Again, Rainforest Grown. This is a leave-in 3-minute and rinse, or use as styling cream, leave-in and style hair as usual. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that or give that away, because I feel like that might be something that would be really great for the giveaway box. Also could work for my curly hair. I'm not sure. Still deciding. Alright, next item that we have is J Mama. And this is Nude Sticks Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm. So it is a really cool dusty mauve tone. I'm definitely going to put that in the giveaway box. I love things this color. I actually have a lot of lipsticks this color, and this is a color that I love for people to have. It's like a staple for your collection, so this is going to go in the giveaway box for sure. All right, the next item that we have is Stellar Brilliant Primer. Okay, so this is a makeup primer. I'm not even going to try this. It's going to go right in the giveaway box. I have a lot of makeup primer, and I love putting stuff like that in there as well, especially because things like makeup primer are things a lot of people don't buy, especially when you're people who are like more beginners when it comes like makeup and things like that. It's great to have items like that to test out and try and see how your foundation wears and things like that and see how you like it. So, and then we have Pomegranate Balancing Cream Gel Moisturizer from Kors. Okay, so this is a pomegranate moisturizer from Kors. I've been seeing a lot from this brand recently. I don't know if you guys have noticed that. I guess this brand, I don't know if it's actually like an up and coming brand or if it's just basically like they're kind of like shelling out a lot of products to get testing done to get more like excitement about their brand, but I have seen a lot recently from them. So I'm actually going to be putting in a few items in the giveaway box. I'm going to recap this box. I've decided I am going to keep the shampoo and conditioner. I think I want to try it when I'm doing my hair on like a curly day because it's supposed to make your hair more like lustrous. And I'm actually going to be in the market for more shampoo and conditioner soon. So I definitely want to try and test out some things. So in the giveaway box, to recap, I'm going to be putting in the Stellar Brilliant Primer, the Nude Sticks J Mama Gel Color that's supposed to go on your lips and your cheeks, and the Kors Pomegranate Balancing Cream Gel Moisturizer from, oh, can you see it? Why can't it focus in? And for myself, I'm keeping the reusable makeup eraser pad and the shampoo and conditioner from Rahua to try out. It's supposed to be like rainforest specialty blend of something or other. So these are the items for the giveaway box. I'm putting them in here right now. As you can see, the giveaway box is getting pretty stinking full. But that's actually all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will actually see you tomorrow for another day of April Box Week. Talk to you guys so stinking soon. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. I'm still in my mouth. I
know. I think it was a bad 2 in a row. I like the double.